Okay, right, A-team are putting it back. Pick it up, Jazz, pick it up. That's it. Here we have Shelley trying to get down the steep bank. Hi everybody and welcome to Raymond Elite Travel. I hope you enjoyed today's montage of geocache finds for March. Please remember to smash that like button and enjoy. The geocache is in hand. Got to tell you though, this road is very busy.
The logbook's very full.
And the logbook is full. And Jasmine's climbing, aren't you, Jasmine? Sometimes you get them in the caps, but not today. It's not in the cap. I've actually got stung with an nettle. I'll show you the beautiful view of Benley Viaduct. Got another geocache, but yeah, I think she needs my tool. She can't get her finger. Another geocache found.
A bit gooey.
Yep. It's a bit damp, but we found it. So yeah, more success on this one. So, right, any idea where the cache is on this one, folks? Any idea at all? Ta-da! Clever. Clever geocache, that one. That's geocache number 2 found today. Nice easy one.
Dry log.
Yeah, we've got a dry log this time. And we have another geocache. The third one of the day. Well, Shelley's found it anyway. Came across a chap wearing Notts County clothes, curious to know what we were doing, so we explained to him the joys of geocaching. He was slightly dumbfounded and inquisitive as to what we were doing. So yeah, so then we had a chat to him about Notts County, and now we've moved on. Right, we'll find the next one. We've just been muggled. Oops. Okay, so we have another one we found, and we've just been muggled on the previous one. Somebody was watching us through the window, so we've abandoned it and then gone to the next one. Guys, look at the T-Rex in this window. How cool is that? That's the geocache. Montage. Added to the montage. We have another pesky geocache. This one was hooked on, so I'll show you this one. I'll show you how it hooks on. Oh, it's not hooked on. Apologies, it's not hooked on.
I can't see anywhere to hook it onto.
We have our first geocache find. Can you see the geocache? Can you see it, folks? Show them, show. Ta-da! Fake piece of grass. We walked past it 3 times. Here we have Shelley trying to get down the steep bank. See? She won't go down it at first, folks. She wanted me to walk all the way around about a mile. I've said no, I'm climbing down. Now we're back under the tunnel. I'm spotting geocache. Yeah, I got this one. I found this one. Yeah, I'm so good. Yeah. I got my hands on a little geocache. I've got my hands on geocache. I got told off them for making silly noises, and all I'm trying to do is find the geocache. easily spottable in the winter, but it's not in the summer. Nothing in it.
No TBs.
No TBs.
No.
Massive box though. So we found the geocache here. It's like a TB hotel. Unfortunately, there's absolutely no TBs in it. But yeah, pretty good, eh? We're going geocache hunting in the forest of Sherwood. Anywhere, any potentially around here, Jas? Come on, let's move these logs on. Yep, you too. Well, I'll tell you what, Jas, you stand here, sweetheart, film me and Mum. You stand there. Right, hang on. Now this is what you call a geocache, guys. With permission. Wow. Congratulations, you have found the major oak. So I'll let you look at it, Jas. We've also got a thing on there. A number. A trackable.
Major oak logbook.
I might have some stickers in my bag we can put in.
See, Albert Jack and Harry Benson are found.
Oh. So,
And Oliver H, Daddy H, Mummy M and Charlie M.
So when we put our name in there, and if you're wondering, we're not called Raimondo Lee, we're actually called the Horde Hunters. Geocache has been here since 2000. Albert, Jack and Harry found it. Took us ages to find, apparently. I don't know why. It was honestly one of the easiest geocaches ever to find, but yeah. Okay, right, A-team are putting it back. Pick it up, Jas, pick it up. That's it. Perfect. What are we giving that a rating out of 10, Shell? 10. Yeah, well deserved.
Very good start for geocache.
Yeah, very good for new people who are new to geocaching. Definitely a 10. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check out the playlist. And if you love geocaching or are thinking about doing it, then subscribe to the channel. We do share lots of geocaching adventures. Thank you and goodbye.